Hi guys, this is Tina from Shabbydabbydoodah. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm inviting you to join in a challenge with me. It's going to run from Boxing Day, so the 26th of December. And basically, I just thought it would be super fun to do something to, do in those days between Christmas and New Year. Because especially this year, where I know that not everyone's going to be getting together with family members and things like that. So this will hopefully be a little bit of a fun project that hopefully, you can join me in. So the challenge is to select a book and use the whole book in those days between Christmas and New Year. This is the book that I've chosen. It's not the biggest book. Unfortunately, I've kind of rearranged all the pages now, but I think it says 78 pages. So actually, although not the biggest book, now seems massive, and I'm wondering what was I thinking. But I thought we could just challenge ourselves to kind of use up an entire book between the Christmas and New Year period. Again, like I say, maybe pick something slightly smaller, so it's not quite so overwhelming. But this is the book that I have chosen. Oops, I've got just a torn up piece there from something. But it's got a mixture, and I've torn all the pages out already. It's got a mixture of texty pages and picture pages. So I thought that this would be just ideal because we'll be able to make a variety of things from these pages and, hopefully kind of use pretty much everything that's in this book. And yeah, I mean, you possibly have got a similar size book or something that you could use. It could be a botanical book, a nature book, a sort of more historical book like this. Anything that you like, could be a children's book, anything that you like. But I thought we could have some fun and make some bits and bobs over those few days. So I hope that you'll join me in what I'm calling my Bookbuster Challenge. So yeah, it's going to take place, obviously, as I say, between Boxing Day and the New Year. So yeah, I would absolutely love to see any bits that you create, and would love it if any bits that you create, maybe you could post them into my Facebook group or something. That would be awesome. And yeah, I hope that you'll join me on this challenge. It's really fun, and yeah, really nice to be able to use an entire book, front to back. So hopefully you'll join me. As I say, it's going to start December the 26th, and yeah, it's going to be fun. So thank you so much then. Bye.